In a cozy house at the end of a quiet street lived a boy named Tim and his dad, John. Tim loved spending time with his dad, especially when they went on adventures together. One sunny Saturday morning, Tim woke up early and found his dad in the kitchen making pancakes. "Good morning, Dad," Tim said with a big grin. "Good morning, Tim," John replied, flipping a pancake in the air. "How about we go on a little adventure today?" Tim's eyes lit up with excitement. "Yes, please, Dad. Where are we going?" John chuckled. "It's a surprise, but first let's finish our pancakes." After breakfast, John packed some snacks and water into a backpack, while Tim put on his favorite sneakers. They set off down the street, chatting and laughing as they walked. As they walked through the neighborhood, Tim spotted a park he had never been to before. "Dad, can we go explore the park?" he asked. "Sure thing, Tim," John said, ruffling his son's hair. "That's part of our adventure." At the park, Tim and John played on the swings, raced each other on the slides, and even had a mini picnic on a checkered blanket under a shady tree. Tim giggled as he tried to feed his dad a grape, but missed and hit his nose instead. After their fun at the park, John led Tim to a trail that wound through a nearby forest. They walked hand in hand, listening to the birds chirping and the leaves rustling in the breeze. "Dad, this is the best adventure ever," Tim exclaimed, squeezing his dad's hand. "I'm glad you're having fun, Tim," John said, smiling down at him. As they followed the trail deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a sparkling stream. Tim and John sat on the bank, dipping their feet in the cool water and skipping stones across the surface. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the trees, Tim and John made their way back home, their hearts full of joy and their minds filled with memories of their special day together. And so, the father and son adventure came to an end, but Tim knew that there would be many more adventures to come with his dad by his side.